Hi, thanks for joining me today. My name's Suzanne and I am with Road to Closings, a business and marketing agency and also a real estate agent with eXp Realty. So today I'm going to go through how to create custom highlights for your Instagram account. Let's get started. So we're going to start off on Instagram right here so I can show you exactly what I'm referring to. So as you can see on the Wandering Dreamers account, she has these black and white highlights. These are what's called highlights, and you can actually have lots and lots of them to direct people to specific Instagram stories that you've created previously. So I'm going to show you a couple more examples here. Here's Greenhouse Juice. They actually have a lovely green background with some icons in the middle, which is very visual, and each one takes you to different Instagram stories that they have previously created and then put them under this highlight. So this is a way for you to save your Instagram stories for people to see at a later date. As you know, Instagram stories only last 24 hours, and this way they last forever. And then another example is Amy Porterfield, and she's got these various different really vibrant colors with some images in the center. So how do you do this? It's so simple when you use Canva, and I'm going to show you exactly how simple it is. So let's start off with being logged in to Canva. And on the left-hand side, you're going to choose Create a Design. You're going to scroll down and you will find Instagram Story. So you've now got the dimensions. It's 1080 by 1920, and it's perfect for using on Instagram Stories and then also highlights. So what we're going to do now is we're going to find a template, and what you're going to type in here is highlights cover. And here we are. They've got templates already created for you. But the good news is that you can modify them to be custom for what you want to have. They're just giving you the dimensions that you need to use for the highlights so they actually show up properly like these do, nicely centered and not cutting off any of the text or the images. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I'm going to choose one of these designs. I'm just going to use this one for right now, and I'm going to choose that one. All right, so as you can see, the circle here is what you will see in this circle here. And the center has this dollar sign for a price tag. We don't want that in real estate, so we're going to change that. How do you change it? All right, well, it's really, really simple. We're going to get rid of this, and we're going to go to Elements right on the side here. And then we're going to scroll down to Shapes and choose the circle. We're just going to click on that. And now you see there's a circle on top of that price tag icon. Well, we don't want it to be gray. So instead, we're going to choose a different color by clicking on this box up here. So we're going to go over here and choose black. And now that circle has changed from gray to black. And when you click on the rest of the panel, you'll see that it's covering up that price tag. Great. So what about if we wanted to change this outline color to a different color, like our brand color? Easy. Just choose one of the colors down here, and there you have it. So the next thing that you're going to want to do is choose a different image to put in there. The great thing about Canva is they have a ton of great icon images that you can use. Now, of course, you can also upload your own image to use, but for this scenario, I'm going to show you where to find a house icon. So you just type in house under the elements still, and here you'll see a ton of different house icons that you can utilize. So there's this one, for example, and you just click on it and it takes it directly into here and centered, and you're done. Now, if you want to, again, make it your own colors, you just click on this icon and you'll see up here, there's the dark blue color and there's the light blue color. So if we wanted to change that to red, we certainly can. If you don't like that one after you've chosen it, you simply delete it and go back over here and choose a different one. I'm going to choose this one because it looks fun. Now, right now you can't see it because it's black. So we just click on that black, choose our color, and then you can make it bigger by just dragging the corners up and the other corner. And then you can center it because it gives you the lines to show you where center is. And you're done. So what you're going to do now is that you have this icon. You're going to go over to the corner here and name it, so Highlight House, and then you can publish it. So basically you're going to download it to your computer, and once you've done that, you simply go to your phone. So you're going to have to download it and send it to your phone. But when you go to your phone, you simply go into your Instagram account, create a new Instagram story, upload that image, and then you can choose it to be added to a highlight. It's that simple. So I hope this has helped. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at roadtoclosings.com or info@roadtoclosings.com.